In this video, I'll guide you through how to combine PDF files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to take multiple separate PDFs and turn them into a single clean document you can download and share. First, you'll want to make sure all the PDF files you want to combine are in Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you need to. Then upload your PDFs. You can do this by clicking the New button on the left, choosing File Upload, and selecting the PDF files from your computer. Give Drive a moment to finish uploading. You'll know they're ready when you see them listed with a small PDF icon. Once your files are in Drive, the next step is to open Google Docs. You can get there by clicking the grid icon, often called the app launcher, in the top right corner of your screen and selecting Google Docs. Alternatively, you can start from Drive itself, which is usually easier when you're working with files you just uploaded. Now, create a new blank document. In Google Docs, click on Blank to open an empty page. This new document is going to become the combined version of your PDFs, so it can help to rename it right away to something descriptive like combined PDF followed by a topic or date. That will make it easier to find later in Drive. Next, you need to bring the content of each PDF into this Google Docs file. There are two common ways to do this. If your PDF is simple and allows text selection, you can open it in a PDF viewer, select the text and images you need, copy them, and then paste them directly into the Google Docs document. This works best for smaller text-based PDFs. If copying and pasting doesn't preserve the formatting very well, or if your PDF is longer, you can convert the PDF to a Google Docs file first. In Google Drive, right-click the PDF, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. Drive will create a new Google Docs version of that PDF. When it opens, select all of its content, copy it, and then paste it into your main combined document. Repeat this for each PDF you want to merge, always pasting into that same main document. As you add content from each file, take a moment to arrange everything in the right order. You can scroll through the document, cut and paste sections, or insert page breaks where needed so each PDF's content starts on a new page. This is a good time to fix any obvious formatting issues like strange line breaks or misplaced images, and to make the fonts and spacing consistent. The cleaner the document looks now, the better your final combined PDF will turn out. When you're happy with the order and formatting, you're ready to turn this document back into a single PDF file. In Google Docs, go to the top left corner and click on File. Hover over Download and then choose PDF Document .pdf. Google Docs will convert your combined document into a new PDF and download it to your computer. You can then store it, email it, or upload it wherever you need. That's all it takes. You've uploaded your PDFs to Drive, brought their content into one Google Docs file, organized everything, and exported a brand new combined PDF.